All right, early morning, came in, gonna paint the rack. So I got some steel it. Well, this morning, Soupy cleaned up these welds for me. I tacked them last night, and what I'm gonna do is throw some steel it on it right now. A good reason to paint stuff like this is it rusts really easy. A testament to that is my front bash bar and rear bash bar. When I first put them on, I did not paint them and they rusted up real quick. So before I put this on, I'm gonna get it all painted up. Pretty stoked with the first coat. It makes a big difference being in the sun. The sun's able to bake the paint on there. It's gonna dry a hell of a lot quicker. So I'm gonna let that dry up, probably throw another coat on, flip it over, and then hit the top side. Soupy,
Good morning.
are you happy to be here?
You see the expression? Excited. We still got to do this.
True.
Then,
Yes. So today, goal, we're gonna get the rack on the van. So you're saying the first thing we're gonna do, put it up there, mark it.
mark it, see where we like it. We'll put the rib nuts in. Then we'll do the tape, set it down. That's it. Should be it.
And that's it. All right, let's go. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a mark.
Yeah, just make sure you mark them like pretty precise because the hole is 1/4 inch, right? It's only like 1/2 millimeter bigger than we need it. So.
All right, so do I just put it in there?
Yeah. Try to keep your marker straight. There you go. Let's go. Alright. I think your end is gonna be 9 millimeter.
Boom.
Alright.
I'm not go. I just go right through the roof.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit the headliner.
Well, you might. Just don't push it like an animal. You'll be alright.
All right. Well, I see. That's where we have an issue.
You're definitely gonna push it through the roof.
I don't give a fuck.
No, I give up. Alright, come on. Go do something.
So this is obviously our pre-drill before the big bit, right?
Yeah, before the big bit. So this is very easy. Just, you don't have to eat it. There you go, look.
Whoa, whoa!
You can't screw it up. You can't go through your roof.
So can you just explain?
How's this working?
Yeah.
And you drill the hole and you put that in the hole. It works just like a rivet. And then you smash it. You see how it does that? And so it grabs the sheet metal right in between there.
Oh, so it pinches in between sheet metal.
Kind of.
Okay.
There it is. Now you can run your fastener in it.
Oh wow, okay, okay.
All right. So you're just gonna do all of them now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So what's going on?
Now we're gonna put the sealant tape on. You just gotta go around it, like so.
And then are we gonna pull the tape off? Is it gonna stick to the roof?
Yeah.
Okay.
But after you put all the bolts in,
After you put the bolts in, you pull the tape off.
I'll show you how to do that. Come on,
Oh wow.
and that's it. So what you do is before you set it down, yeah. So you go like that. When you get it down, you set it into place. Put all the bolts in, and you just pull it, and then
Okay.
put the bolts in. That's it. Go all the way around it.
It's a moment of truth. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Rack is on. Do you approve?
No.
What's wrong? No washers? Is that the deal? What's the problem? Yo, I used what you gave me.
Yeah, but you didn't see those are two different bolts.
It don't matter, doesn't it? All right, so huge shout out to Soupy. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you.
No worries. Looks good though.
Yeah, this has been a process, so I'm glad we got this on. I can't wait to see what it feels like when I'm driving around.
Those are the right ones right there.
Like I said, I appreciate you, Soupy. Thanks again. So, comment below what you guys want to see us do to the van. Super stoked with it. Hell yeah.